How to set up the onboarding process for new bookkeeping clients. For new clients, it's great to have a separate pipeline that will help you automate all onboarding steps. Here, we created a new client onboarding, bookkeeping pipeline. Let's go through all the settings. In the intro stage, there is email automation that sends out a welcome email with instructions on how to get to the portal and complete an organizer. The Create Organizer automation uses the Business Documents Required Organizer template. As AutoMove is enabled for this stage, the job will automatically move into the next stage once the organizer is submitted. Next, proposal preparation and retainer payment. We have Send Proposal, Electronic Letter, and Send Invoice automations in TaxDome. But for bookkeeping clients, they usually need to be tweaked for each client individually. So this stage includes a Create Task automation, which creates a task for your team member to review the organizer answers, prepare a proposal for the new client, and send it along with the invoice. Once it's sent, the team member should manually link the contract and the invoice to the job. You can do this by opening a job and then using the Link button in the top right corner. Just choose the type of element you want to link and then pick it from the list. This way, the AutoMove option will work too. Once the contract is signed and the invoice is paid, the job moves into the next stage. Next up, Converted Bookkeeping Client. When a client goes to that stage, the Send Message automation will be triggered to send the client a message to greet and inform them that they are now maintained by your firm. This stage also requires manual work. Here, we have the Create Task automation based on the new Bookkeeping Client Task template. This template includes 3 subtasks: to move the job to the main bookkeeping pipeline, to add the client to the recurring schedule if there's one set up, and to add proper tags for your new client, either monthly, quarterly, and so on. This way, you have an entire process set up for new clients.